Fiat Ducato 2016 130 Multijet. Air filter this time, 4 screws. Right, let's see if we can find the bloody things. Right, here we go. Right, anyway, there's one there, see him? Yay! And then one there. So I'll show you there, so it's 2, there's 4 altogether. Might want to need a bit of light on this one. 3 and one more, 4. If you had a long screwdriver, you'd be alright by that. So I've got a little small one, so I'm going to crack on and get all 4 off. This is the most easiest thing you could do on one of these vans. Except watch your head. Gotta keep bloody banging it on that thing. You need quite a decent screwdriver with a good head on it. Something like that. Okay, because these are a little bit bloody stiff. Hey, there we go. Number 2. That was number 3. And where is he? I can't even really see it. Oh, there he is. And you drop your screwdriver. Oh. That's what I had to use my phone. There he is. 4. It's 4 undone. There we go. Oh, there's nuts down. Those screws, look at they were rusted, the buggers. They were a bit tough to get out. Anyway, that's alright. Done. See what I mean by so easy? Well, that is bloody filthy compared to the new one. Look at that, look at that, look at that. And this will make a hell of a difference to fuel consumption. It'll be more miles per PG and whatnot. So I don't know when the last time it was changed. Here we go. Look at that. Spanky spoon. We'll look in the bottom as well, down here, and make sure there's no grime or gunk or anything. And also, 5 times I've cracked my head on that bloody thing. There's a bit of muck in there. Let me get rid of that. Okay, and then pop him back in. That's it. I think he just fits in one way, yeah. That's it, he's in. Put the lid back on. And then line the screws up, and away we go. It's a piece of cake to line the screws back up again. They just go in. You can look afterwards. I'm going to warn you again, anyone like me, mind your head on this stupid thing here. About 5 times I've cracked my head on it. This is the air duct coming in from the top of the bonnet. Alright, that's it. 4 screws done. Air filter finished. Give it a thumbs up and a like if that would appreciate it. Take care, and we'll definitely catch you in the next one.